Hello guys, dear listener, followers and awesome traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome trading. As in previous video, we discussed an strategy and many comments I received that people asking me kindly guide us with all points. So today I'm gonna show you this strategy with deep explanation. So kindly watch this video till end. You will understand all points and don't miss any point. Okay? Before asking question, make sure that you have watched all video so you will understand all things. So first of all, for this strategy required you must have $20 in your account. Okay, and next one, click on synthetic index and choose any no problem, any index. Okay, I will pick this bull market index. Okay, and from here up down look this, choose match difference. Okay, that matches and the difference. Once you choose, look here, the duration is 5 tick, change on 1 tick. Okay, once you change, and next one, that last digit prediction will set on 0, stake will be 10 or use on $1, no problem. Okay, as per your money management. So now let me explain all things so you will be understand. Okay, if you want to see signal of the last ticks, so kindly switch to 25 number of ticks. Okay, look here, that 8% chances to come 0 again, and here you see that 3 will not come soon. Okay, that 160% 16% chances to come again, and look here changes. So we choose one tick cause this is a fast method. Okay, look here, 3 no chance to come. 4, look here, once is red, so it's mean there is no chances come very soon, and that green mean it's will come very fast. This one look, and this one. So this is the main thing. So let's set the digit 0 and start our first trade, and you have to click on digit difference. Okay, what is the digit difference? Look this explanation, digit difference. Okay, if you select difference, you will win the payout if the last digit of the last tick is not the same as your prediction. Okay, it's mean if you choose last digit, if here 3 2 1 5 6 7 8 9 any digit appear, you will definitely win. Okay, so kindly put your eyes here. Okay, put your eyes here, and so sorry for this, and start. Put your eyes here. Okay, and see this last digit. Okay, must see this last digit. Okay, this last digit. Again I clicked on. Okay, so let's start the first trade and see what will be happen. We are going to place a digit difference. Look, once you see that 0 appear here, so immediately do the trade. Look here, 0, and my trade is entered, and I have won this trade. Look, the contract won. Okay, once again, once we see 0 last digit 0, will place the trade immediately. Okay, no delay here. So wait for 0. 0 last digit, you have to put your trade. There is not coming 0 last digit, so we will look this. 0 comes and we have placed the trade and we lost. And why we lost? For this you have to use after 1 2 ticks. Once you won one trade, you have to use 2. Okay, remember this. Once you win one trade, choose 2 and let's do it. That 1 9 and next is 7 and contract information. Look this, you won. Okay, now again choose this 1 and again do it. Okay, so again you see that contract is 1. Okay, so this was the point. Let me move on 100 index. Okay, for 100 will be choose our end under strategy. Okay, then the last digit will be choose 8. Okay, and for 8 how we do this? That killing trick is this. Look here, once you see a last digit here, last digit 9 or 8, you have to put trade. Look here, 9 and we have purchased our contract, and look, this contract won. Okay, look here, 8 looks, let's see. Okay, one trade we won. Okay, and let's see here, once the last digit 8 or 9, we have to open our trade. Look, 9. So I'm gonna place a trade and my contract again won. Let's see, with $1 we won. So this is all points of this strategy. Hope you all guys will make more profit. Okay, if you want to choose once more, let's see, this 2 digit also very awesome thing. Once you see here 2, here 2 in last, you have to put your trade. Okay, in last digit, once you see 2 here, last digit 2, open your trade. Okay, let's wait for this 2 and I will place my trade. Okay,